Hey, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today, I want to share with you one of the biggest mistakes I made when I started pitching the media. I have a product-based business, and I wanted to get in the gift guides. So I'm pitching the gift guides for the holidays that are in December around November, October, November. What I didn't know, but I quickly learned, is that those holiday gift guides close guys, in June and July. So if you are a product-based business, you need to get that pitch into them in June. Really super important. They close those 6 months in advance. So that is today's Get Famous Friday PR tip. Get your pitches in early for the holiday gift guides. And if you'd like to learn more, please join the PR Challenge at yourprchallenge.com. Give me 10 minutes a day for 10 days, and I will make sure that you and your company get tons of visibility. So I hope to see you there.